Hey everybody! Have you ever seen one of these before? It's called a lichen or a lichen. It's in the woods, or perhaps you've seen them growing on rocks, stone, in graveyards, on old headstones. Sometimes you can see these growing. What is a lichen? A lichen is a composite organism that arises from algae or cyanobacteria, perhaps both, living among filaments of a fungus in a symbiotic relationship. The combined life form has properties that are very different from the properties of its component organisms, that being of a fungus and of either algae or cyanobacteria. Do you understand that a lichen is neither an algae or a fungus? It is a combined life form. And they come in all kinds of shapes, sizes, colors. Here's some pictures of some very different looking ones, and as you can see, you've probably seen them before, not even knowing about it. And if you ask me, I think they look kind of spacey. Even these little hairy ones on the side are actually lichens. And to me, they look like something that I have seen in weird sci-fi movies. But what I want to talk to you about today is the brain. The human brain. Now, the human brain, as we know it, is made up of three distinct parts. The three brains. The reptilian brain, which deals with survival instincts. The mammalian brain, emotions, connection, and rewards. And the neocortex, the thinking part of the brain. To understand how the evolution of the brain is thought to have arrived, I bring your attention to this picture, the reptilian brain, which then grew a neocortex and mammalian brain. This idea is evident in evolution, and we can see it. The earliest life forms have thought to evolve into more complex life forms. This is not anything revelatory or new. This is not a new idea. There is nothing unique about any of this. What idea that I'm proposing is that it is more of a parasite than you could Have you ever heard of toxoplasmosis? If you have cats, you probably have seen the word before on the bags of cat litter that you buy. They have warnings that you've got to be careful of this disease, which is a parasite. It infects your brain. But infections with toxoplasmosis usually cause no symptoms. Up to half of the world's population is infected with toxoplasmosis. In the United States, about a quarter are affected. And in some areas of the world, up to 95%. no big deal. The point being, brain parasites are very common and are not fiction. The evolution of the brain is still a mystery to this day. And perhaps, just perhaps, we have an idea why.